Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's having a little bit of trouble with using the interactive fill tool on something of this shape. So we're going to take a star, holding down the control button, and we're going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. But if you rotate that star from here, let's Control D and make a duplicate, and then rotate it. See how the star is off? So what you want to do is take that star and turn it into a six-sided star. Let me back up here. I had a duplicate already. Turn it into a six-sided star and then hit P. Look how it moved it up. Now move it back to a five-sided. And that's what Corel, that's what the bounding box is, but we need the center. Now we're going to make the corners a little rounded to give it that look we did in this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners, and I'm going to 0.05. Just give it a little bit of a round. We could actually go a little bit more. Let's go 0.08. Didn't really change too much. But now we can go Control D, but rotate it from the indexing lines. And let's rotate it 15 degrees. You know what? Let's go more. Let's go 10 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. Now let's take all those lines and make them a thick line. Now, if we take, even if we group this together, if we take the interactive fill tool now, it just does the background. Okay, let's back up here and let's combine it. Go to Object and Combine. Same thing. It's just doing the background. So let's back up here again and let's weld it. Welding will not work because it's going to do that. So what you have to do in this case is select them all, go up to Object and convert the outline to an object. Then left click, right click, and then you can weld, and you get that. Then we're going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in with a color. Take the interactive fill tool and just swipe across anywhere. We're going to change it to a elliptical fill and put that in the middle. Maybe bring our purple in a little bit. And then what I like to do is go ahead and do it first, just create a bunch of boxes. I'm just double clicking my right mouse button. Then I'm going to take colors and bring them into those boxes I just created. And you can already see what it's doing. The closer they are together, the less defined they're going to be. Or more defined, I guess. Dark purple. Let's go with a peach. And then the center ones aren't really going to matter too much. They're going to help just a little bit. They're not in the graphic. So we could get more colors. Let's zoom in here. Get the interactive fill tool back. And see, we can move that one there, that one there. It's moving the colors as we're going. But we're going to be able to get more colors in here now. I really don't like that peach color. One more. Let's change out that peach to another, to green. We don't have a green. So that's how you would use the interactive fill tool on an item like that. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.